Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, what do we have here? Those are corn chips. A couple of pasture-raised eggs. This is some shredded cheese. It's some jack and some pepper jack. A little butter. Some salsa. That's just a medium, simple to make salsa. I have a video on that. And we've got garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. Mike Foster here. It's time for another scramble. This is a killer scramble. The best part about this scramble is it's pretty cool. It's kind of a Mexican flavor. We're going to take these corn chips and we're going to, I'm going to show you. It's almost like a migas, and I have a video about that, but check this out. It's a cool corn chip, cheese and salsa scramble. So what I'm going to do first is just take these eggs and just, I've made scrambled eggs in many different ways, and check out how I make the perfect scrambled egg simple, but these are just going to have a slight break like this, because I got to take care of the corn chips first. So these eggs are ready. We put those aside, and then I'm going to show you how to take care of these corn chips. Oh, we're going to start off with a medium pan. I'm going to put a good load of butter down, because we're going to sweat these chips, believe it or not, corn chips, to get them ready for this killer scramble. Okay, let's get that butter going. All right, like I said, this is on medium. There's those chips, and you just put them in. And the butter was like, what did you just do? And you're like, take it easy, butter. Calm down, butter. All right, just mix them, schmix them. We're just sauteing these until they get limp. That's what she said. Gonna put a little water in there to encourage. You saw that, didn't like it. Some pepper. A couple cracks of salt. Now here's where the flavor comes in. Garlic is one of the flavors. That's garlic powder. Everybody calm down. Calm down. We're just cooking this a little. Get that going. Get that to a simmer. We're going to put some minced onion. You could use real chopped onion in this at the beginning, but I didn't have any. This is easier. So just simmer this until these get nice and, I guess, a couple minutes. They get nice and floppy, flimsy. I'm actually going to add just a little more butter to this to get ready for the eggs. This smells fantastic. It's that onion and that garlic. You want a little bite in these. You don't want them to be totally soft. So it's time for the eggs. Put those in. Let's mix those eggs about. Oh, that does look like migas, doesn't it? That's beautiful. Keep that going. While that's getting its thing together, I'm going to put this cheese in here, and that's going to help. Get that going. Keep this on medium. What do you think so far, guys? I think pretty awesome is what I think. Put a little more pepper in there. That's all you need. Get this cheese melted. Get the eggs finished cooking. And we'll add just a little salsa at the end. That's what she said again. I can't believe it. And get some of the salsa in here. You can add more on the side of the plate if you want. But I'm having fun just doing this. Okay, reduce this to low. Incorporate. Incorporate. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. It's going to be delicious. This is ready. I will plate it up and get a close-up. All right, that's the finished product. Little salsa, fresh salsa on the side, on the right there. Still a little bite in those chips. Oh, let's just take a bite and see how it worked out. Looks gorgeous. All right, there it is. It's the corn chip, cheese, salsa scramble. Just get a good bite. That's delicious. So a little crunch in that corn chip. Oh. Just like taking a corn chip and dipping it in salsa with a little cheese on it. But then you made it into a scramble. So you can get protein. Start your day. I gotta tell you. That's fantastic. And I'm not kidding this time, is there? Sometimes that's super good. You gotta try this. It's similar to migas. Check out my migas recipe, which is used with leftover tortilla chips. That's good. I also have a potato chip hash recipe, which you might like. Check out anything. I have over 1,000 videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube. Tell people about it. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Oh, sweet babu, woo! It was good, but I gotta tell you, check the cards, check the links below. They should have some migas in there, which came out gorgeous. That one was crunchy. That was good. Should also have some my potato chip hash recipe, which also is gorgeous. You should check out all my old recipes. Tell people about it. My goodness, why don't I have 1 million subscribers? Baba. After a while, Mike, it just sounds like whining. Yep, it is.